Yo, what is up, everybody? It's been a long time. It's been a very long time. But you know what? We're back. We're back with another video. Trying to start up this channel again. I do appreciate all of you guys who have subscribed and who have stayed subscribed for like basically the past year. Because you know what? It's been about a year since I made the last video. Like it's been a long time. So for those of you who have stayed and kept watch, for all of you who have subscribed over the past year while I was not making content, also thank you. I really appreciate it. But we're back, we're back, 2019, new videos. Things are going to be a little bit different. So as you can see today, we're in the BRZ, and we're actually headed over to Neil's. Not going to tell you exactly why. I know some of you guys might already know why if you follow my Instagram, but yeah, we're gonna head over to Neil's. It's early in the morning. I'm really tired. I'm not a morning person, but see you guys there. All right, guys, we are here at the Racers Line. Now, this is actually a new location in Concord, so I've actually never been to the new shop. Yeah, I'm excited to see the new shop. Supposedly it's bigger. It's pretty cool because he's actually right next to Wheelworks. But yeah, it's pretty cool. That means that I can get like wheels sent here, and it means that he can get like wheels mounted and do all that stuff, which is pretty cool. I do have a membership with the Wheelworks over in Livermore. Since we're here early, pretty early, like an hour early than we should be, like he's not even open yet. I don't even think Neil's here. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of tell you guys why we're at the Racers Line and what we're doing today. Today we are parting out the BRZ, and but yeah, it's a full part out. All parts have already been spoken for, wheels, splitter, and the reason being is no, it's not because of the new California exhaust law. That actually has nothing to do with it. I'm not parting out because of that. I am parting out because I am selling the car. I'm not selling this car because I want to. I don't want to sell this car. Finances happen. This is a big reason why I actually haven't been active for the past year. I've been working on my finances and trying to pay off some debt. The car itself has already been paid off, so the car itself is not the reason for my debt. Because this car has been paid off, selling this car can actually allow me to pay off all my debt. So that's happening today. So today is part out day. We're here at the Racers Line. Neil's gonna take everything off. Everyone's meeting me here to pick up their parts and to send me money. And then I will be using all that to pay off all my debt, which is good. Like I need my debt to be gone. I'm spending way too much money on just paying off credit cards, and I want all that to be gone. Now, part of the credit card debt, I don't really need to tell you guys this, but part of the credit card debt is not because I overspend, even though I do that, but a big part of that is actually from medical bills. I mentioned that I had gone through heart surgery. That heart surgery was expensive, and this is a major heart surgery. I got it done at the Stanford Medical Center. So it's like the best hospital in the world, or in America at least. I'm all good now, so no worries, and I don't need to have one again, I hope. But before insurance, this is like $100,000 thing, and so insurance covered most of it. But even then, there's still a lot of money that I had to pay. So those were all my medical bills that I ended up paying off. I used my credit card, I used my savings. I've spent the last 2.5 years paying off that debt. And so I'm pretty much almost done, and selling this car will allow me to be literally maybe a year out from fully paying off all my debt. So I'm doing that. And you guys are like, oh, but you still have your other car, you still have the Focus. So no, I actually sold the Focus. I didn't sell the Focus to pay off the debt. I sold the Focus because I didn't really like the Focus. I traded in the Focus and I got myself another Honda S2000. So I'm going down to one car, and I know it's an even more impractical car than the BRZ, but the Honda S2000 is a car that has been one of my dream cars ever since high school. Yeah, no, it's been one of my dream cars ever since it was released. Just kind of how like the BRZ became another one of my affordable dream cars ever since it was released. Now I got a Honda S2000. It's a 2005 AP2. It's in the Suzuka Blue. I got a really good deal on it. It came with under 60,000 miles, which is awesome. Basically brand new at that point. And the cool thing is it actually came with an OEM hardtop. So the fact that that was included in the price that I paid for the car is pretty awesome. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. That's why you can probably see, you know, all these things in the back. Those are actually my stock wheels. So putting the stock wheels back on. That's gonna be it for the BRZ, you guys. No more BRZ for this channel. But hopefully you guys will stay tuned. There's a bunch of stuff coming for the S2000 already. Big plans for the S2000. And so I'm gonna say this, but I don't plan on selling the S2000. I don't want to. Just going down to one car, Honda S2000. That's gonna be the main car. Really excited to see how that car transforms. A lot of plans for that car. Yeah, guys, no more BRZ. It's kind of hasn't fully settled in yet. I was getting pretty depressed when I decided I wanted to sell it. I didn't really want to sell the car at all. This has been probably one of my favorite cars I've ever driven in my life. It's super well designed. It's been super reliable. I mean, there's barely not even 26,000 miles on it. Yeah, I mean, it was a good 2-year run. A very, very good 2-year run. I did not drive it as much as I wanted to the second year. You know, all the mods that we did, the supercharger, the big wing, so many different exhausts, you know, the multiple wheels. But you know what though, like it was good. It was fun. I don't regret a single dollar spent, and I think that's the most important thing. Is a lot of people are like, well, dude, you spent like almost as much as the car is worth on mods. I mean, that's probably true. Like, oh, like holy crap, I spent so much money on this car. But you know what though, like I don't regret a single dollar spent, and I think that is like the most important thing. And that's something that I definitely really hope kind of resonates with you guys, that if you find a car that you absolutely love and that you find is basically kind of a part of you, you will not regret spending that kind of money, even if you have to get rid of the car. Like I don't regret it at all. Sure, I've made mistakes. I've spent a lot more than I needed to, especially considering where the car is compared to where the car was. You know, I really don't. I don't view it as a loss of money. The amount of enjoyment that I've gotten out of this car is so much beyond what I could have imagined, and kind of like it awoke this car enthusiast side of me. So yeah, I don't regret it at all. It was a good time, and to be perfectly honest, like maybe if time persists and you know, finances and things fall into place, you know, maybe I will get another one. You know, who knows, you know? So that's always a possibility. You know, these cars are going to be around for a decent while. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for Neil now. Then we're gonna go into the shop, start parting everything out. People are gonna pick up their stuff, and then tomorrow is sell day. So that's what's gonna happen, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed the journey that I've had with this car, from when I got it bone stock back in 2016. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. But stay tuned. Like, keep subscribing, you know, keep liking the videos. I will be uploading more this year. I made that promise to myself for 2019. I wanted to get back into YouTubing. It is something that was really, really fun for me, and you know, I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot more stuff with the S2000, and yeah, let's get into Neil's shop. Ooh. New shop. It's so nice. Ooh, you have your own sliding door office. Nice.
Oh, you should be fine. Here, I have. Oh, okay. Okay, so you're right. Cool. Faster, so. That's how it turned out.
Right.
Are your videos even monetized?
They are, surprisingly. I surprisingly have enough minute views. Well, guys, that's basically it. We've done the full part out. It didn't cost too much, which is really, really good. Neil's amazing, as always. So if any of you guys need to do any sort of mechanical work, feel free to please come down, check out the Racers Line. They're in Concord. Neil is like easily the best mechanic for this platform in the Bay Area, and like his prices are fantastic. He does really good work, really quick. You can't really, you can't, you know, he's the best. But so the car's stock. Gonna go home and drive. I'm gonna drive it now on stock. It's gonna feel a little bit weird because it's been modded for so long, but that's it. No more BRZ. Today, this is literally gonna be the last drive I'm gonna be taking on the BRZ. It's once it gets home, it's gonna get parked, and then Shift is gonna come out and take the car. So with that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of a weird video, but I'll see you guys on the next one, and stay tuned for more videos and stuff on my S2000.